I've taken off the top part of the manifold, CT manifold right here, and this is the other part. And I've sketched out the area where the interior of this goes, in hopes of getting this hole a little bit bigger. You can't really get it that much bigger because you'll get right into the meat right here. But just to make it a little more streamlined, same with this, so that the big carb, that is a monster fucking carb. Look at that thing. It's just, if this carb was human, it'd be in a porno. That's a 33 millimeter Sudco KN motorcycle race use only. I like that. I've got to put that on my and yes, it does have the original numbers all put in on a laser etch, so it's not fake, and all the bolts and everything else in it are KN. I don't know what the hell it is, but I can't wait to try it on the bike. I still have to get my motor to work really correctly through my 30 millimeter, and once I know I've got the setup right, then I'm gonna switch to this. But that's one problem a lot of guys out there will do, is they'll put on a big carb, big pipe, big cylinder, big ignition, big all these big clutches, changes, everything else, and it doesn't quite work right. And then you're thinking, well, what do I got to do to fix it? And you're not sure, because it could be a combination of 100 things. It could be a loose spark plug wire. It could be just about anything. But I put the panels on, and all these are my old blue panels that have I just put Armor All on them. Now I know you should not do that for painted panels, but in the winter when it's freezing out here, it works really good. Another thing I like to do is take a little bit of WD-40, this stuff right up here. Okay, what I do with that is I'll take that and spray your cast iron cylinder right down there. It's upside down. And different places where there's bare metal, and it'll keep the rust and everything off your metal until spring. Because we all know winter has, well, of course, if you live in Hawaii, you lucky dogs. Hey, one more shout out to Hawaii. I want to say this, okay? As an old man, and I've seen a million movies, Jason Momoa, who I believe is Hawaiian, and he's a superstar, is the ultimate guy. If I could look like anybody in this world just for a week, it would be him. I'd be the biggest serial pussy hound you ever seen in your life. But that ain't gonna happen. Anyway, God bless Hawaii, and God bless Jason. He is under the ideal man in the dictionary is a picture of him. So, rock on.